We've just signed on a new project, really exciting new project. Not just because it's a lovely house, but it's also a very exciting client because we are going to be working with Jamie and Sophie Laing, the Newlyweds. They are hilarious and just so down to earth and lovely. So we're really excited. It's going to be a really fun project. So what we do now is we run something called a feasibility exercise, and the reason for this is because we want to establish how far we can make our client's budget go. So for Jamie and Sophie, first things first is we're going to do a concept design, which will be a breakdown of every room in the house, what we see those rooms looking like, so texturally, colours, a really lovely styling image of each room, to really build a picture of what the house is going to look like when it's finished. It's funny because when we first had a meeting with them to talk through their style, Sophie announced that she had these Pinterest boards that she shared with us, and Jamie had never seen them. So that was really amusing because he was like, what is our style? Because I like this. And she's like, no, I don't like that. You know, it's really funny. They are literally such a pair. But her style is very California-esque, quite pared back, minimalist, lots of texture, tonal, very tonal. So everything's very neutrals with browns and oatmeals and soft pinks. And then lots of accentuating arches, bronze elements. Lots of arches actually, which is amazing because obviously we've done a lot of arches in our projects. So she was really drawn to one project in particular that we did, which is called All the Arches, which she loved. Okay, then we do floor plans. We delve into all of the rooms, what we want to achieve from each room, what they're all going to be used for, functionality, is it going to be a nursery in the future, but right now is it going to be a dressing room, etc., etc. So really kind of, I'd say at House 9, that's one of our fortes, is floor plans. We love unpicking floor plans and really maximising the spaces as best we can. So then once we've done floor plans and concept designs, and those have been approved, then we can delve into the high-level estimates. This is a really important part of the feasibility package because we want to establish really early on what we have to spend on the core supply, which is everything that's hard, that's going into the house, like sanitary ware, fixtures, fittings, even down to like wood floor, carpet, things like that. And then also we run the same exercise for all the FF&E, so that's all the furnishings, the fabrics, the loose stuff that's going into the house. So once we've got those two estimates side by side, it really helps us then enter into the scope of works stage, when the scope of works is essentially when we're building out a scope of works for the contractor to tender from, so to cost from. Really excitingly, Sophie and Jamie have agreed to let us take you on the journey of the renovation. And really what it takes to take a project from concept and from that feasibility stage all the way through to completion, when we literally open the door at the end and let them in, which is so exciting. So you'll see all the challenges and the things that go right and wrong, and things that can change along the way. So yeah, it's going to be fun. And we're going to have timber running down here across the step along the side of the pantry, and then we're going to change into a big tumbled limestone, a really big format tumbled limestone. The reason we're doing that is because this room gets so much natural light, and I'm worried about the timber bleaching in the sun. These are the roof lights, and this is going to be a banquet seating area. Great big island in the middle of the room, and then a run of kitchen across the back with a beautiful pantry here.